All right, folks, this is it. I'm ready to jump into my first ice bath. I'm gonna show you where it's at, what's happening, so take a look at what's right here. According to this little floating frog that I have, temperature of the water is 53 degrees. So 53 degrees, I don't think that's too bad. I'm about to find out. All right, here we go. Let's check it out. The temperature has changed to 42 degrees and dropping. All right, but I'm in halfway. Woo! Okay, 36 degrees. Half my body is pretty much under the water. I guess that taking cold showers in the morning, 3 minutes, sometimes I do 5. So I guess that's working. Let me see if I can go down a little bit more now that the ice is smooth. Woo, baby. Yeah. Look at this. Right, here I go for my second dip. Let's see how this one feels this time. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Still got ice here. So this is another example that shows the truth that the breath is the life force, that the breath is powerful, because it is the breath that's making the mind calm and allowing me to not think about the feeling so much. And for those of you that are watching from wherever you are, more power to you. And subscribe to my channel. Alright, so I reached the 3-minute mark, right? But like I was saying, hit that like button and also subscribe, and definitely write me a comment, leave me a comment below. Let me know your thoughts on this, and let me see if you want to see it again. So now I'm going to try to sit completely. Hey Siri, turn off the timer. I'm gonna try to go down deeper. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it. It's hard to sit like this. Oh, okay. I wanted to go down so that at least my heart and my chest are under the water. All right, so my arms are red, my legs are red. Yeah, look at the redness. It's like, ooh, on fire. Look at the arms. So yeah, I'm just trying to warm the body back up. But honestly, it wasn't that bad. Yeah, I thought I was not going to be able to tolerate it so long. So that was pretty good. All right, so don't forget, hit that button, subscribe. Catch you in the next video.